immediately I knew this was a 1984, and I know a lot of you are saying it's a C4 Corvette, who cares? But it's like one of the first C4 Corvettes. And you can always tell the early ones because you've got that, you know, the black in the center of the wheels. And also, like, I think it was in 86 they added a brake light up there. And this one doesn't have that. So I knew it was early. And I didn't see any, you'll also see on like 85, on that little trim piece, you'll see tune port injection, and this one doesn't have it. So it has the Crossfire V8, which some people joke is the ceasefire. I'm gonna need to look this up, but this is pretty awesome. 1967. Really one of my very favorite body styles. And then of course 1953, the first year for the Corvette. You can always tell because it has this like chicken cage headlight thing. Started the, oh man, this is cool, the Lost Corvettes. Oh, these, I wonder if these are, we just stumbled upon this, so I don't know anything about why these cars are here, but maybe they are from the Lost Corvettes, I don't know. Pretty incredible. Oh yeah, that's this car. Dude, these are all brand new. That's the deal. I remember reading about these. These are all brand new cars. Yeah, they're from some Chevy dealership, and they were forgotten about.
No way.
Yeah.
How do you do that?
So see, like this one.
Oh, no way.
Is this car.
Wow.
And it still has the dealer, like these have the dealer tag, you know.
Was it just like was it forgotten about?
Yeah, we'll have to do some reading on that and fall.
Forget about this.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, like, here's this car. So
Oh my god.
there it is, 1969.
Wow.
Brand new.
That's real.
I mean, these have got to be worth
I can't even imagine.
an insane sum of money.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this has to be like off the charts. This is like finding like a Mount Vernon never used.
Yeah. I think it's a little better than that,
Yeah.
actually. Yeah. I'm kind of curious about that blue one over there. Let's check it out. Was that a split window? No, it's not. Oh, it's a 66. Still really beautiful. Well, you know, that's the first year for the Corvette, Dave.
Yeah. Wow.
And the interior is pretty nice,
Oh
just
my
like
God,
a slight.
just a slight little thing.
Yeah. Wow, that's awesome.
That's just something else.
Well, I could drool at these all day, but
Yeah.
we have a lot of cars to see. Woo.